So this year our customers are going to really feel another step up in the way that we take care of them and the support we provide them. We have to continue to up the bar on ourselves in order to really deliver that world-class customer experience.
Eager to Win is about setting stretch goals and really working hard, collaborating as a team to achieve those goals.
My definition of Eager to Win is a team that gets around the customer and doesn't give up until they succeed and they deliver on the customer's needs.
We talk about the customer. We make decisions with their behalf in mind.
I'm confident my team's living up to that aspiration. They're really pushing themselves to get out of their comfort zone and execute things very differently than they've done before to make a difference for our customers.
For my team, eagerness to win has been demonstrated really clearly over the last 2 years with our great overperformance in the ultrasound business. We surveyed 350 customers and we got really good, actionable data.
That's brought us closer to the customer and brought us more focus in imaging systems, PCCI, and customer services.
The introduction and branding of GSS North America University. That really has become a cornerstone of what we're trying to do.
We had the WIRED program, which is winning in radiology, and this is where a team across the business units, across the service organization, across every one of our businesses said, how do we get better penetration, better market presence in radiology?
You don't have the kinds of wins we've had with double-digit growth in both government and IDNs without validating how we've worked together and been eager to win and how our customers have felt it.
Our customers are seeing that we're eager to win now. They're seeing us become much more creative in how we come up with solutions for them, how we respond to their questions and to the challenges that they put in front of us.
I think the customers do see a difference. You can certainly see it in our NPS score increases over the last couple of years.
NPS is, I think, the best indicator of what our customers think of us as an organization, and we dominate NPS scores every year.
You find time after time stories from our customers coming back to us about our engineers, about our clinical people working overtime, working weekends, doing whatever it takes to really win, and they're excited about taking care of the customer.
I know my customers are perceiving that because that's the feedback they're giving me. They're saying that your people are more in tune than ever in terms of what my needs are versus than what your needs are as Phillips.
Taking ownership means you don't take no as an answer. Taking ownership means you deliver to the customer to satisfy them.
Taking ownership is not waiting for somebody else to do something. And whether that's individually or with a team, it doesn't really matter. It's really saying,
do I really understand my markets, my business, my customer, and doing the best job I can to represent our company's product portfolio and services, and going out and doing the best job I can to grow market share.
When I think about taking ownership, I think about being proactive and becoming empowered. That we're change agents in the organization.
I see our customers saying we do it well, and in fact I hear that we do it better than our competitors, and the companies that do this the best will be the most successful.
So our customers are seeing the difference in what Phillips is doing just based on our product portfolio and our offerings for healthcare.
they're so confident in both our people and our technology that we see repeat business year after year.
That really was evidenced this year as we moved back into the #1 position in patient monitoring, moving our NPS scores 14 points.
We implemented Kaizen in the quote-to-order process. We engaged the sales organization in the rural channel and the commercial operations team, and they really have taken off with this approach.
We aligned our attorneys by geography more so than we have in the past. And what that's meant is that they also align well with our sales team as well as our contracting team.
We actually took the tools that were inside the firewall for salespeople to access and moved them outside the firewall. The point of care channel was launched earlier this year with a mere 6 people, and they have done a phenomenal job at getting the word out about Phillips entering this new market segment.
We had to deliver one of the most complex pieces of medical equipment into a battlefield environment, and we had to do it in very short order.
The finance team, along with people in many other organizations, dropped everything and worked together to get all of the paperwork in place, satisfy all of the compliance requirements, and we made that deadline.
One of the big areas we're going to be invested in is customer advocates.
We're going to make sure customers understand how to use their equipment, how to optimize their equipment. We're going to leverage our adoption program, where we're going to smother customers with support after the sale.
The other thing that we're going to do is really take programs in the marketing sense, in the marketing area, and drive those to be very GSS&A specific. Things like hospital to home, marketing around that, messages around that, and collateral and programs around that.
This year, a key focus is on dialing up customer-facing marketing to drive preference. Things such as user groups, leveraging our partnerships, and building on the momentum that we have in campaigns such as Imaging 2.0 and Clinical IT at Work.
Teaming up to excel really means collaborating across the organization.
When you pull people together from different parts of GSS&A, different parts of Phillips Healthcare.
From the people on the front line to the solution center to the people in the back office working together.
All of those coalescing and coming together, I think, positions the organization best to excel.
Phillips' response to the Sunshine Act and its requirements in 2011 is a superb example of teaming up to excel.
The Veterans Administration new construction project in Orlando.
Our new point-of-care business. We have a sales channel dedicated to this new market, and we can really put the competitors on their heels.
My team is helping the organization to use a concept called value stream mapping.
One of the biggest success stories we've had last year is teaming up with HR.
Teaming up to excel, for us, the proof is going to be in becoming #1 in IMV in all modalities in 2012.
We're going to have to figure out how we continue to team up, how we continue to support sales and service at the same time that we implement the requirements of Fit to Grow, which is to become a leaner finance organization.
I'm really excited about the SoPhone quoting project that we implemented this month. It just kicked off. It's a game changer for our sales force because it is a configurator where they didn't have a configurator before in their quoting tool.
When I reflect upon 2011 and I think about what we were able to accomplish, one of the things that was most noteworthy to me was that even in the face of all of the challenges that the company faced, that the economy has presented us, we still were able to excel, and we still were able to take market share. We're able to hire the number of people that we did. We're able to develop, and I get particular satisfaction knowing that we were able to do that even in a very trying and challenging year.